This will be a short video on how the student will find their recordings in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. The student either has to click on this Blackboard Collaborate Ultra link in the menu, and that is if the instructor has put this in the menu, or they have to click on Tools Communication and click on the Blackboard Collaborate link here. If it's not in the menu, you will find it under Tools, Communication, and then click here. When you get to this screen, you simply toggle between your sessions and your recordings right here on this menu. So this menu opens up, you click on Recordings, and then it will list all of the recordings that the instructor has for you to watch. You simply click on the link and it will open up the recording for you. This concludes how to find your recordings in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra.